start it from the scratch and have an all-expense paid trip vacation, earn in dollars and spend on naira, travel around the world, network, meet different women, and make money basically. Then we are waiting for you. We're having a free class this week. We will teach you crypto from the scratch and show you how to make the money. And who knows, maybe next year you would qualify for the Women in Crypto all-expense paid trip vacation. Okay, I'll give you my number. I'll give you my number. Use your number. Your phone is